Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a rich and comforting beef stew with potatoes made with a flavorful homemade beef bone broth. I truly hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm creating all of my recipes especially for my USA audience, and I put a lot of love and hard work into every video. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep making more delicious recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get cooking. I'm using 2 kilograms of potatoes. I'm using 4 chopped tomatoes and 4 chopped onions. Fry the onions in a pan until the beef broth is ready. Now, strain the broth and separate it from the beef. Set both the broth and the cooked beef aside for the next step. Onions are golden brown. Add the beef with the broth. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Now add 1 packet chicken powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Finally, add all the potatoes. Add 5 chopped green chilies, some fresh coriander, Finally, our delicious beef potato curry is ready. Let's dish it out and serve. So guys, finally our super delicious beef potato recipe is ready. Give this recipe a try. You'll absolutely love it. It's so flavorful that you'll want to keep eating more. Enjoy it! With naan bread or roti, it tastes amazing with everything. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, check out my other delicious recipes and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!